Imagine an SUV that combines the heart-pounding performance of a sports car, the elegance of a luxury vehicle, and the versatility of a family hauler. Ladies and gentlemen, let's take a journey into the future with the 2025 Porsche Cayenne, a vehicle that promises to redefine what a luxury performance SUV can be. While Porsche has not yet released official details about the 2025 model, we can dream together about what this next-generation Cayenne might bring to the table. Picture this: a sleek, aerodynamic exterior that builds on Porsche's signature design language, with a bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, and muscular lines that exude power and sophistication. The 2025 Cayenne could feature an even more refined silhouette, with a focus on reducing drag and improving fuel efficiency without compromising on style. The body might incorporate lightweight materials like aluminium and carbon fiber, making it lighter and more agile than ever before. Step inside, and you'd be greeted by a cabin that's a masterpiece of modern luxury. Imagine premium leather seats with intricate stitching, real wood or metal accents, and ambient lighting that creates a serene atmosphere. The dashboard could feature a dual-screen infotainment system, with a large touchscreen for navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings, and a smaller screen for climate control and other functions. The 2025 Cayenne might also introduce advanced voice recognition and gesture controls, allowing you to interact with the car in a more intuitive way. But the real magic lies in the technology. The 2025 Porsche Cayenne could come equipped with the latest in driver assistance features, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. It might also feature Porsche's InnoDrive system, a semi-autonomous driving system that can handle stop-and-go traffic and keep the car centered in its lane on the highway. Safety would be a top priority, with features like automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert coming standard. Now, let's talk about performance. The 2025 Cayenne could be powered by a range of engines, starting with a 3.0-liter V6 producing around 335 horsepower, and going up to a 4.0-liter V8 producing over 500 horsepower in the Cayenne Turbo model. For those seeking even more efficiency, Porsche might introduce a plug-in hybrid variant, combining the gasoline engine with an electric motor to deliver improved fuel economy and reduced emissions. The plug-in hybrid model could offer all-electric driving for short distances, making it perfect for city commutes. The 2025 Cayenne would also likely feature an advanced all-wheel drive system, ensuring confident handling in all weather conditions. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising on the open highway, the Cayenne would offer a comfortable and composed ride, thanks to its adaptive suspension system. Now, let's address some myths and facts. Some might say that luxury performance SUVs like the Cayenne are all about style and lack substance. But the truth is, the Cayenne has always been a well-rounded vehicle, offering a perfect blend of luxury, performance, and practicality. Others might argue that Porsche lags behind its competitors in terms of technology. However, the 2025 Cayenne could change that narrative, with cutting-edge features that rival those of brands like BMW, Audi, and Mercedes-Benz. The 2025 Porsche Cayenne wouldn't just be a mode of transportation. It would be an experience. It would be a vehicle that caters to the needs of modern drivers, offering ample space for passengers and cargo, while also providing the luxury and technology that discerning buyers demand. It would be a car that makes every journey, whether it's a daily commute or a weekend getaway, something to look forward to. So, what do you think? Would the 2025 Porsche Cayenne be the ultimate luxury performance SUV, or do you have another favorite in mind? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of automotive innovation. Until next time, keep dreaming big, because the future of driving is closer than you think.